Alright, what's up y'all? We're back. Let me show you what we got today. Alright, so we're gonna be doing the house, the driveway, and the back pad. So here's the driveway. Pretty simple driveway, no sidewalks, gutter at the bottom. The walkway leading up in the front porch. Then the house. The soffits definitely, as you can see, have black on them, so it's gonna clean up well. This stuff that you see here, right up under the lip there, that's not gonna come off. There's also might be some dark streaks that come from the shingles that bleed onto the soffits here that might not also come off, but we're gonna get this thing looking good. And then we got the back pad in the back. Not a big back pad, should be very easy. All right, y'all, let's get to it.
Hit this, let it soak well while we wash the house.
Alright y'all, so like he said, we're gonna do the whole house while the soap sits on the driveway, so when we hit it with the surface cleaner, it should come up nice and easy. Alright y'all, so like you've heard me say before, we squeegee the windows to make sure they're extra shiny. This is how I do it. So I take a rag, I wipe the top lip just to make sure when I squeegee, no water starts running down and ruins the work I just did. So then after you hit the top with the rag, come through with the squeegee. You come down like that. I wipe the squeegee off every pass that I make so it doesn't leave any streaks on the window. And boom, just like that. Obviously there'll be a drop or two that runs down the window, but you don't see that when it dries up. You just see a nice, clean, squeaky window. All right, y'all, just wrapped up the first job. We do have a second job today. It's gonna be a pool deck cleaning. Let me show you around the first job's results. All right, so obviously we got the driveway nice and simple as we thought it would be. Looks nice and clean. Up to the front porch. There was these massive wasp nests that were up there that we had to take care of. And these soffits. You remember I told you there's gonna be black marks and streaks from the shingles? There was a lot of it. And the downstream that we use does not take care of it. Really, even 5% wouldn't take care of it. We had to use some LA's Totally Awesome with a scrub brush and scrub it. These are good customers. They give us a lot of work, so we went extra for them. We went around with the scrub brush on the front, got rid of all of it. And you see back here, the big back wall along with the pad, nice and clean. And overall, a very clean house. You can see here the difference versus where we used the LAs and didn't. You can see what it does. I don't know how it does it, but it gets rid of those black marks. So yeah, on to the next job. All right, y'all, we're here at the second job. Let me show you around. All right, so we got this pool deck, and we also got the furniture. I'm in the middle of laying it all out right now, so it's easy to clean. Separated the cushions from the seats, laid them on their side because we do the bottom first. As you can see, the cushions definitely need it. They're moldy, floor's dirty. So let's get to work and bang this out. All right, y'all, wrapped up. It's a hot one out here in Florida today, man. But we got it done. Let me show you the results. All right. As you can see, this painted floor was nice. Sometimes people's painted decks are a little worn out, so it doesn't look fantastic when you're done. This is one of the ones that look fantastic when you're done because paint's nice and fresh, shiny, not really any chipping. As well, we did the furniture. See it there, it had black mold all over it. Show you a screenshot, you know, what these chairs looked like before with the mold on it. Now you can see they're blue and they're clean. Step up here, give you a big overview. Beautiful stuff. The table and everything. Cleaned all of it. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, like, subscribe, comment, ask questions in the comments if you got any. And as always, see y'all in the next one.